Hello everyone, welcome back to Iron Conflict and Frontline. Today's episode takes us deep into the heart of a battlefield where modern technology, high-pressure decision-making, and strategic brilliance come together to create one of the most shocking real-time encounters caught on camera. The moment a Ukrainian drone, operated with precise and controlled intent, destroys what analysts estimated to be more than a $2.1 billion Russian convoy. This is not just a story about technology, it is a story about how warfare has transformed, how a small unmanned machine can shift momentum, and how modern armies must rethink everything they once believed about safety, numbers, and power. Today, we break it down from exterior to interior, performance, safety features, tactical advantages, unique selling points, cost, and a final conclusion on why this drone strike represents a dramatic shift in the future of military conflicts. The exterior of the Ukrainian drone is deceptively simple at first glance, almost minimalistic compared to traditional heavy machinery used in warfare. Built with lightweight composite materials, its outer frame is designed for stealth and maneuverability, allowing it to blend easily into the sky or terrain depending on the mission. The streamlined body features aerodynamic contours that significantly reduce drag, increasing both flight time and responsiveness. Every curve and angle of the drone is engineered for one primary purpose: to reach the target, deliver the payload, and escape, or sacrifice itself, before enemy detection systems can react. The mounted camera on the front is small but incredibly powerful, capable of long-distance zoom with crystal clear detail. Underneath, the payload system is fitted with a secure locking mechanism to ensure the explosive charge stays stable even during sharp maneuvers. From the outside, it looks like just another drone, but what lies beneath its shell is what sets it apart as one of the most efficient weapons on the modern frontline. Moving to the interior, it is compact, clean, and highly optimized. There is no traditional cockpit, no pilot, no crew. Instead, inside the drone's core are advanced electronics, guidance chips, flight control processors, and encrypted communication systems. Every component has one job, and one job only: support precision strikes even under electronic warfare, jamming, and harsh environmental conditions. The performance of this Ukrainian drone is the real highlight of the entire operation. Its ability to travel long distances while maintaining full control allows operators to strike targets far behind enemy lines. The acceleration is swift but controlled, allowing micro-adjustments mid-flight that keep it stable even in strong winds. The drone's hovering ability lets it pause, observe, analyze, and strike with accuracy that traditional artillery can only dream of. When the drone approached the Russian convoy, consisting of armored vehicles, fuel trucks, logistics carriers, and heavy support units, it demonstrated unmatched tactical intelligence. The operator used the drone's real-time video feed to identify the most critical vehicle in the convoy, the one whose destruction would trigger maximum chaos. One calculated move, 1 second of perfect timing, and the drone dropped its explosive payload with such accuracy that the first blast created a chain reaction across multiple vehicles. The heat, the stored ammunition, and the fuel reserves combined to create fireballs that ripped through the convoy like a storm of destruction. Each secondary explosion showed how effective, how deadly, and how efficient drone warfare has become. The safety features of the drone might sound unusual, considering it is a weapon, but they matter even more in unmanned systems. The drone is built with encrypted communication protocols that prevent enemy forces from taking control or hacking its systems. If communication is interrupted, the drone can switch to autonomous mode, returning to base or completing its strike depending on its pre-programmed priority. Another important safety measure is its remote operation distance. Operators remain miles away from the battlefield, ensuring human lives stay out of direct danger. Additionally, the drone's lightweight frame reduces the risk of accidental detonation if struck by small arms fire, making it surprisingly resilient during close-range engagements. Its thermal signature is extremely low, making it challenging for anti-aircraft systems to lock onto it. Even radar detection is minimized through the drone's absorption materials and irregular shape. Safety in modern warfare is not just about protecting soldiers, it's about ensuring every strike is made responsibly, accurately, and with minimal collateral damage. These drones embody that philosophy. The unique selling points of this Ukrainian drone are what make it the centerpiece of this entire convoy destruction incident. First is its cost-effectiveness. Compared to traditional missiles and fighter jets, drones offer a significantly cheaper yet highly effective solution. The fact that a drone costing a tiny fraction of a single armored vehicle can destroy convoys worth billions is astounding. Second is its adaptability. This drone can be modified based on mission needs: reconnaissance, strike, surveillance, or support. Third is precision. It doesn't rely on guesswork, trajectory calculations, or heavy targeting systems. It simply hovers, scans, and strikes at the exact moment when success is guaranteed. Fourth, the drone is expendable, meaning it can be sacrificed without political, financial, or logistical backlash. Sending a pilot into danger is always a risky decision. Sending a drone is a strategic one. Lastly, the psychological impact is massive. Convoys once considered invincible are now vulnerable to tiny, silent flying machines no bigger than a suitcase. This shift in psychological warfare is one of the reasons drone technology is becoming the backbone of modern armies worldwide. Discussing price, the cost of these Ukrainian drones varies depending on configuration, but most fall within tens of thousands of dollars, not millions, not billions. This affordability is exactly what makes them such a threat to enemy assets. Meanwhile, the Russian convoy destroyed in this strike consisted of fuel carriers, logistics trucks, armored personnel carriers, and support vehicles, collectively valued at over $2.1 billion according to multiple independent military analysts. The math is clear. A small, inexpensive drone has the power to cripple or completely erase an enemy operation built on massive investment. This price-to-damage ratio is one of the most decisive factors shaping future battlefield strategies. In conclusion, the destruction of the $2.1 billion Russian convoy is not just another viral battlefield clip. It is a demonstration of how warfare, strategy, and military technology have evolved. The Ukrainian drone used in this operation showcases a perfect blend of stealth, precision, cost efficiency, and impact. It highlights the shift from traditional large military assets to smaller, smarter, and more lethal unmanned systems. The exterior design focuses on speed and stealth. The interior is packed with high-grade electronics and encrypted control systems. The performance is unmatched, delivering precise hits even in hostile environments. The safety features protect operators and reduce collateral damage. The unique selling points make it one of the most influential weapons of modern times, and the price comparison shows a dramatic imbalance, one that forever changes how nations plan and execute warfare. The strike serves as a reminder that in the world of modern combat, intelligence and technology often outweigh brute force and numbers. This event will be studied for years to come, not just as a moment of destruction, but as a chapter in the evolving story of modern military power.